you know? Hey, let me just hit him with the realest, man, straight off the bat. Listen, look, popping bottles for all the years of what we bottled up. I made the pain be champagne cause we done lost enough. We done seen a lot, drugs gone, seen a lot. Bread squeezing, beating shots, beefing over streets and blocks. So you're this warring over manners, man, it needs to stop. The other night I heard fire with the tire screeching off. I bred a pumping some heavy metal like CC Top. Waking up that newborn that's asleep in his cup. It's like we deeply lost, scheming over peas and guap, dreaming of a decent codge. Even if the evens ain't even, best believe that we still reaching, trying to beat the odds. Cause there's gotta be more than just these greasy blocks. Every day same saga, ducking PC blood. Confess they want a Birdman, a little Weezy boss. Fat stash, cash stack in a sneaker box. Reggie, I'm just blowing smoke like a shisha shop. Pins got me irate, can't even trust my mate. Fuck it, ain't no love though, cause everybody's cutthroat. Man, I'm turning Sweeney Todd. How can you believe in God when all you seen is blind faith? Sucking the police and cops, tower block, dream a mob, but bring it to your raw line. As raw as some pure white, more life, more time, but more time, there's more lies. I brought round some poor guys, so what a sight for sore eyes. Take you round the manor like a tour guide. RV, raw vibes, I know you want them raw rhymes. Cyanide, chloride, enough to spin your jaw side. Yeah, you know just how right to do. I Mayweather mixed with Sugar Ray Leonard, Lennox and Tyson too. Check the punchline count when I'm inside the room. Furthermore, don't make a sound when I'm inside the room. When I'm inside the booth, better put the mic on you, cause all that gas chatting means nothing if I light a fuse. Boom, who's the man in charge? You don't have to ask. Black mask and camouflage, hit him like an avalanche. All you hear is bare sirens like a rag of dance. And yeah, your name might have rang bells, but mine rang alarms. From Palermo to Panama, Panama to planet Mars. And still at it, still illmatic like that rapping off. Wrapping up a bag of bars, I heard they want to challenge. Nah, no props, you can hold shots like Van der Sar, man, and don't stand a chance. I ain't come to stand a glance. If I'm popping up, it's popping off like Afghanistan. Brother, fuck what you heard, this ain't a cattle farm. Any beef, man, are dead like an abattoir. Tell me who the best is, I better bread a 10 bricks. I make him hit the bench quick, cause he ain't got the stamina. Bend him up like pro manager, really there's no challenger. Rather, I'm no amateur, metal like Soul Caliber, there's no props. I'm so hot, like the coke pot, sitting on that stove top. And so what, man, I cause a roadblock. Have a bread and moving stiff just like the robot. When I roll up, get it popping like I'm old dog. Dio mio, my brother, oh god. All them years of eating humble pie got me like, nah brother, I'ma come for mine, no props. Let me show them what the hunger's like.